Okay, so we are back here with YouTube sensation Sophie Maletsky. We made one of these little cuties earlier.
Our little Snowgy.
A little Snowgy. And now we're on to our next project of DIY crafting in the home with the kiddos. We're making a blizzard.
In a bottle.
In
so
a
this is a great, it's a sort of sensory play. So this is a great thing for Layla. So, you know, you see like, look at that. See
Oh,
that?
it's beautiful and kind of mesmerizing in itself,
Right,
right?
and you can make it with color or without.
Okay, yes.
You know, and it's really up to you how you
I know
want to
adults
design
here in
this.
the building that would benefit from that.
Well, I'll tell you, you know, it's one of those things where it's really calming and it's kind of like very zen and you can just sit and watch it. When we mix up a big batch of this to do for like big craft parties, we've got the bucket of all of this stuff
seriously?
swirling around and it is so mesmerizing.
Okay, well, yeah, well, show me.
Okay, so all this is a Boss water bottle.
Okay, yes.
And you can use any water bottle you want, but I like the Boss bottle just because these are
pretty.
just, they're so easy to take the labels off of, which is not the case with most. Okay, so take that.
Okay, what is this?
And this is just glue. This is clear glue.
You got
and
it.
what I want you to do is just mix in some of this fabulous glitter. And don't be shy. Go to town. Put in as much as you want. Like that. Like that's a little. Like go for it. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
It's so pretty and
Exactly.
blue.
I know. And you start. You see? You start stirring that up. Look how cool that is.
I'm going to dump some more in.
Just keep dumping it in.
Okay, dumping.
Exactly.
Okay,
And
so
as
you're
you
going
can
to
see-
mix it in so it's really, really mixed in well with the glue. Oh, that one's super
Isn't that
pretty. Look how
fabulous?
sparkly
Okay,
that
so
is.
see how nice and pretty that is?
Okay.
Okay, so then we're going to add a little bit of water. I feel like we're cooking. Don't you feel like we're cooking?
Yes, I do.
Okay,
I feel
so
like
we're
we're
gonna
making
take
slime, too.
Oh, please. Slime is like the other big thing that kids love. But this is so great because it's contained. And, you know, a lot of parents get worried about mess and, you know.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, take a look at that. Is that not just, wouldn't you like to
It's
just
super pretty.
stir that and look at that all day? I would, anyway. I mean, with my life, I'm like, okay, anything that keeps me from being stressed out, I'll do it. So I'm going to take this and just put this off to the side, and then we're going to pour this into here.
All right.
And we want to do about halfway full. So we're just going to fill.
Oh, so one nice little batch like that then might make multiple
make two.
blizzards? Oh, very nice.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
and you
great.
can use bigger bottles. And like I said, you don't have to feel like you have to get the expensive Voss water, but it's such a nice bottle because it's clean lines. So there you go. We got about half of that filled. And now what we're going to do is you're going to add some of these pieces. So you can add like pearls and beads and these kind of little things. And the other thing about the Voss water bottle that I like is it has a nice open mouth. A big open mouth, so it makes it easier for children to put stuff in.
Yeah, it better for little fingers.
Exactly.
And even parents apparently here, because I'm having a
Well,
I'm having issues shoving stuff in here.
You could use, if you wanted to, you could use a funnel. You know, if
there you go.
if you were having issues like
Look
that.
at that.
And then, you know, the other thing that's always great is if you have a slightly smaller necked bottle, you can cut off the top of it.
Okay, good. And then that makes it easier to put stuff in, too.
Exactly.
All right.
So now we're just going to pour some water in.
Okay.
And we're just going to pour this in the top. Now, if you wanted to, this is when you could add a little bit of color if you wanted.
Oh, with maybe a little bit of
a little bit of food coloring if you want to.
Color the water.
And you're going to go right up about to the top. You want to leave a little bit of air, but not too much.
Okay.
You just need it to be able to, as I go up and over.
You just want it to be able to move, though.
Exactly.
And
So-
this is just one of the many amazing crafts that Sophie has. You should see what this woman could do with duct tape. It's unbelievable. We're talking about making dresses and hats and shoes and purses. You're like, of course, who wouldn't wear duct tape? Sophie's World, you can find it on YouTube. You also have a book called Sticky Fingers.
Correct.
Sophie, where can our viewers find you?
If you just go to www.sophie-world.com, that's SOPHIE-world.com, and we've got 600 videos, we've got 800 pages on our website. There's something for everybody.